WAGO's single-channel electronic circuit breakers ensure precise, reliable protection of machine and system at a width of just 6 millimeters. They trip within just 4 milliseconds in the event of a hard short circuit. 6 versions cover nominal currents of 1 to 8 amperes. The input voltage and signal outputs can be bridged quickly and easily, and that for up to 30 devices. A built-in LED allows you to read the status of the channel at any time. Different flash rates indicate, for example, if the load current has exceeded 90% or is above 100% of the nominal current. If the current continues to rise, WAGO's electronic circuit breaker trips, ensuring reliable protection of system and machine.